Hi everyone, we are here at Chubby Cheeks. We're enjoying fishing here and enjoying nature. This is one of our favorite spots to stop when we four-wheel. So, because there's a fishing spot here. Pretty. The water is so There's a restaurant here that you can stop by too and eat, and they have chicken, so there's the restaurant.
They have lots of things on their menu.
They have menus, so you can pick whatever food you want to eat, and drinks. Hamburgers, chickens, pizzas, whatever.
Sometimes they have specials on Friday or Saturday night.
Hi, my guapo love.
Hi there. Still fixing. These little electrician's pliers have been lifesavers to us. Reason why is we can cut things with it, strip things with it. We can shear off wire or cable.
Yeah.
We can crunch things with the end.
And we clamp the mouth of the fish too as a plier.
If we have a northern, we can hang on to his jaw and get the hook out. It's probably I don't know, what do we pay for it? 50 cents at a garage sale?
It's a pretty view here. It's not our dock. We're just
Guests.
we're just resting here. We're just borrowing the dock here. Yeah, pretty. Catch us some fish now, Glubs.
There you go.
There's some tiny fishes here.
Try it now.
Go ahead, Glubs.
Where's your big fish down there that you were talking about?
Somewhere.
See a much better cast now.
Alright, everybody, we're gonna enjoy here. See you next time. God bless. Peace to all of us. Enjoy nature.
Enjoy.